everyone, welcome to the Walt Daily. So I'm going to be doing a lot of new crafts, and with every craft project and every craft idea you have to make the pilgrimage to Michael's. So today we're going to go through everything I got at Michael's. So let's get started. First thing, and I haven't looked through this since I got it a few days ago. I got a lot of felt. So what I'm going to be doing with the felt is probably making Disneyland style letters and marquees and putting them on maybe clutches, and I was thinking about doing like a Disney mobile for like a baby's room. Not that we're expecting or anything, but somebody probably is out there and wants to Disneyfy the mobile, so we'll do that. And so we got a lot of different colors here. So we got a couple shades of green, yellow, pink, purple, a few shades of blue. Oh my goodness, so much stuff. My receipt, we don't have to look at that. Let's just put that over here. All right, a few shades of blue it looks like. I don't know. Maybe it was the intoxicating Michael's air. I was just like, I need all of the colors. And of course, red and white polka dots. Gotta get that if they have it. Some red, some white. It's gonna be awesome. All right, what else is in this bag? Paintbrushes. So I wanted to do more Disney walls, just kind of paint them. So my next one is going to be the You Are Most Beautiful wall. And I found that when I was doing my bubblegum wall, which you can see a time lapse of that on Facebook, or not on Facebook, you can see a time lapse of that on Instagram, I felt like I didn't have enough variety of paintbrushes. So I bought a few cheap ones, nice little 4-pack. And what else is in here? Oh, and 5/8 inch black satin ribbon. And this is what I use to wrap Minnie and Mickey ears with when I do them at home. So I found that I was running out the last time I made them, so got some more of that. All right, cool. So let's move this aside and let's go on to the next bag. All right, I got some more headbands to make new ears with. So got a 3-pack here, goodbye. So another thing that I'm going to be doing is making crystals. So borax crystals that you can make on your stovetop, let them sit overnight. But the base of the crystals is actually white pipe cleaners. And I'm gonna have those for when I do my crystal making, which is probably going to be in the next week or so. And then I feel like maybe I was just picking up stuff at this point just in case, but I got a poking device of some kind in case I needed to make a hole or something. I was thinking for maybe the clutches that I was going to embellish, that maybe I would need some sort of a poking device to thread the Disneyland style letters or the appliques that I was going to put on it. I don't know. I'm sure it'll come in handy though. Who doesn't need one of these? And then I have a lot of new ideas for different Mickey ears and bows. So I got a lot of ribbon. So we've got wired red satin ribbon. And then I got these different types of, these are also wired, and I just thought they would be really, really nice for spring, maybe a special occasion, making some big bows, or I don't know, I just thought they were really pretty and they would look really, really nice on ears. So here's those. More pipe cleaners. I guess I got 2 packs because I was thinking about making a lot of crystals, I don't know, but yeah. And I got a lot of embroidery floss, and this was again part of my thinking that I would probably use this on my embellished clutch idea. Maybe use them to design some sort of a stitching, like a cross stitch of some kind with the felt. So another reason why I might need the poking device. And I got different shades that reminded me of the Disneyland marquee. So a pink, a purple, yellow, a little bit of gold to be fancy, some white, some blues. So we'll put those over here. I also got some white thread. This is going to go with the crystal project. So gotta put that over here. And then I got 3 different shades of brushed metal and metal style paint. So what I wanted to do with this was also use it on my crystals. So after the crystals have formed in whatever color I choose, I can emboss it or glam it up a little bit with some, I got copper, I got some gold and some silver. So I thought it would be really, really cool to just brush that on. And another reason why I got that 4-pack of paintbrushes. Smart. And then I got this fabric glue. So in lieu of always using a hot glue gun, which I feel like hot glue can sometimes not quite stand the test of time, I got this E6000, it's called Extreme Stretch glue, and it bonds fabric to fabric, fabric to leather. So I thought it would come in really, really handy when I'm working with the felt and if I decide to work with maybe some sort of a leather. So yeah, and it's low odor, perfect. We're almost to the end here. I got some needles to use with my embroidery floss that I would probably use with the felt. And last but not least, acrylic white paint. So I found that when I was painting my bubblegum wall, my DIY bubblegum wall, I really was in need of some white paint to adjust the colors to get that just perfect shade of the wall, and I was running really low. So yeah, a giant tube of white paint. Alright guys, that's going to do it for me today. Definitely keep an eye out for all the upcoming crafts that we're going to be posting on this channel. Like, subscribe, comment, let me know what you think. Let me know what you love to get at Michael's for your Disney crafts. And we'll see you next time.